Welcome back to Beautyistic. Imagine a blush that gives you that natural, luminous glow without the need for constant touch-ups. Today, we're checking out the TEMPTU Perfect Canvas Airbrush Blush in Venetian Rose. A liquid blush with a twist, designed to give a buildable wash of color that's long-lasting. Whether you have fair or medium skin tones, this blush promises a natural, fresh-faced finish. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and see how it performs. TEMPTU's Airbrush Blush is all about convenience and flawless application. With its liquid formula, it promises light to medium coverage that you can build up depending on your mood or the occasion. The color I'll be focusing on today is Venetian Rose, a beautiful pinkish rose shade that's perfect for adding a soft, flush look to the cheeks. The formula is supposed to blend seamlessly, leaving behind a luminous finish without the heaviness of traditional powders. So, what's in it? TEMPTU has formulated this blush to work across all skin types, and its lightweight nature makes it easy to apply without feeling cakey. The pigmentation is quite impressive for a liquid product. Just a small amount provides that desired flush, and it builds beautifully for a deeper tone. The standout feature here is the airbrush finish. It promises a smooth, natural-looking glow without streaks or uneven patches, something that's often difficult to achieve with liquid blushes. When I tested it, I was curious to see how well it blends into different skin tones, and I'm pleased to say it adapts well, offering a natural flush that works for both fair and medium complexions. The consistency is lightweight, and it dries down to a comfortable, non-greasy finish. It's definitely buildable, so you can control how much color you want. It's also worth mentioning that it didn't feel heavy on the skin, even after building up the layers. I applied it in the morning and didn't need to touch up until late afternoon, which is a win for those who want a blush that stays put. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, it's incredibly easy to apply and blend. The liquid formula is smooth and doesn't leave streaks or patches, making it a great choice for beginners. The shade Venetian Rose has this perfect balance between pink and rose, giving you that healthy flush without being too dramatic. Plus, it's buildable, which means you can create a subtle or more intense look, depending on your preference. However, the one downside I encountered was the packaging. The formula is housed in a tube, and while it's easy to dispense, you have to be careful not to use too much at once. A little goes a long way, and it's easy to overdo it if you're not cautious. Also, it may not be the best option for those who prefer powder blushes or have oily skin, as the liquid finish can sometimes feel a bit too dewy on oilier complexions. Now, is it worth the price? The TEMPTU Airbrush Blush is a bit on the pricier side, but considering the quality of the product and the long-lasting wear, I think it's a fair investment. The pigmentation is excellent, and it gives a very natural finish, which is often hard to find with other liquid blushes. For those looking for an effortless, buildable blush that won't fade throughout the day, this is a solid option. However, if you're on a tighter budget, you might want to explore other liquid blushes that offer similar performance at a lower price point. If you're not sold on the price tag, there are a few more affordable liquid blush options out there, like those from Glossier or Rare Beauty, which also offer a luminous finish and buildable coverage without breaking the bank. In terms of longevity, the formula really impressed me. It stayed in place throughout the day, and I didn't notice it fading or looking patchy even after a few hours of wear. The airbrush finish helps with that, leaving your cheeks looking fresh without needing constant touch-ups. TEMPTU's customer service has a good reputation for being responsive, so if you do run into any issues or need support, you can rest assured that they'll help you out. As for updates, this product seems to be quite consistent in its formulation, so there's no need to worry about major changes affecting its performance. So would I recommend the TEMPTU Perfect Canvas Airbrush Blush? If you're looking for a high-quality, buildable blush with a natural, luminous finish, then yes, this is definitely worth trying. It's perfect for those who want a flush of color without the heavy feel of traditional blushes. It works well across different skin tones and provides great wear time. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our honest beauty reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing you content just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and if you've tried this blush, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.